Traveling with a minimalist wardrobe can be a game changer. Not only does it make packing easier, but it also allows you to travel light and focus on the experiences rather than your luggage. If you've ever struggled with overpacking or carrying too many clothes, this video is for you. We'll guide you through how to pack efficiently, choose versatile pieces, and travel with just what you need. Make sure to like and subscribe for more tips on stress-free travel and packing. 1. Choose versatile pieces. The key to a minimalist wardrobe is selecting clothing that can be mixed and matched. Focus on versatile pieces that work well for multiple occasions. A simple pair of jeans or leggings, a few neutral tops, and a jacket that can dress up or down are essentials. Neutral colors like black, white, gray, and navy are easy to pair with anything. Think about items that can be dressed up for a nice dinner or dressed down for a casual day of sightseeing. By choosing versatile pieces, you'll be able to create different outfits with fewer clothes. 2. Pack light layers for versatility. When it comes to packing, layering is your best friend. Instead of bringing bulky sweaters or jackets, opt for lightweight layers that you can easily add or remove based on the weather. A thin sweater, a cardigan, or a denim jacket can provide warmth without taking up too much space. If you're traveling to varying climates, pack pieces that can be layered together, such as a lightweight jacket over a t-shirt or a scarf to add warmth. Layering allows you to stay comfortable and prepared for any situation without overpacking. 3. Stick to a color palette. One of the easiest ways to make a minimalist wardrobe work is by sticking to a consistent color palette. Choose a mix of neutral colors that can easily be paired together. Black, gray, white, and beige are excellent base colors that go with everything. Add in 1 or 2 accent colors to keep your wardrobe interesting, such as navy, olive, or burgundy. With a well-thought-out color palette, you'll be able to mix and match your pieces effortlessly, creating multiple outfits without the extra baggage. 4. Limit shoes to 1 or 2 pairs. Shoes can take up a lot of space in your suitcase, so it's important to limit yourself to just 1 or 2 pairs. Choose shoes that are comfortable, versatile, and suitable for a variety of activities. A pair of sneakers or comfortable flats is perfect for walking around during the day, while a pair of sandals or dress shoes can be used for more formal occasions. If you're traveling to a destination with diverse activities, such as hiking or going out at night, consider packing shoes that can easily transition from one activity to another. 5. Choose quick-dry fabrics. When traveling light, it's important to choose fabrics that dry quickly and are easy to care for. Quick-dry materials like merino wool, polyester, and nylon are great options, as they don't take up much space and can be washed and dried quickly. This is especially helpful if you don't have access to laundry facilities or want to reduce the amount of clothing you bring. Quick-dry fabrics are also great for outdoor adventures, as they wick away moisture and keep you comfortable. 6. Limit accessories to essentials. When packing a minimalist wardrobe, it's easy to overpack accessories. Stick to a few essential items that can elevate your outfit without taking up too much space. A small, versatile bag that can go from day to night is a great choice, along with a couple of scarves or hats to add variety. Sunglasses and a watch are also great accessories that serve both functional and fashionable purposes. Keep your accessories simple and focus on items that can be worn with multiple outfits. 7. Plan for laundry stops. One of the benefits of traveling with a minimalist wardrobe is that you don't need to bring as many clothes. With fewer items, you can plan to do laundry during your trip, which will help you stay fresh without overpacking. Most hostels, hotels, or Airbnb accommodations offer laundry services or have laundromats nearby. Bring a small travel-size laundry detergent or use the local laundry options to keep your clothes clean. Doing laundry will allow you to wear the same clothes multiple times without running out of options. Traveling with a minimalist wardrobe is a smart and efficient way to pack for any trip. By choosing versatile pieces, focusing on layers, and limiting shoes and accessories, you'll be able to travel light without sacrificing style or comfort. Quick-dry fabrics, multi-use items, and the option to do laundry will make it easier to stay fresh while reducing the number of clothes you bring. Remember to invest in quality items and pack only what you truly need. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell for more travel tips. Happy packing!